In this video, we're going to talk about when is the best time of year to begin a solar project. Now, there's quite a few different factors that are going to go into play here. The main one is what type of project that you have and what state and utility that you're in, because that's going to affect the length of time that the project will take from the point that you sign up to begin that project, you get qualified and approved, and the time that the system is actually installed, inspected, and turned on, so it's producing clean sunshine energy at your house. In terms of project timing, that can take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks on the very, very short side. There's only a few places in the country where that's happening right now, to up to a year in some cases. Now, on average, a solar project, from the time that you say, yes, I want to do this, you get approved and qualified, you sign your contract, to the time of install, it's going to take about 3 to 5 months. Okay. That's pretty average. That is what we're seeing here in Colorado, in Virginia, and in a lot of other states, is in that few months time range. Okay. Some places of Texas is where we're seeing some of those shorter timelines, Las Vegas as well. So, when we're thinking about a solar project, a lot of people reach out to solar companies, to a solar consultant like myself, in the middle of summer. Now, why do you think that is? Well, their air conditioning is probably blasting, and for a lot of folks, that's when they're seeing their highest electric bills, is when that air conditioning is on. And believe it or not, HVAC is one of the biggest energy draws for electricity for most people. So when you see these high bills, people get upset about it, and they think, hey, is there an alternative? And well, the answer is yes, there is. And solar power is that alternative, being able to produce energy on site. So, however, if you sign up to begin a project in the middle of summer, and your project is going to take 3 to 5 months, that's really not getting installed until the fall or later, even in the year. So the best time of year to actually begin a project in most cases is going to be in the middle of winter. Believe it or not, and the time that you actually sign up is going to be right around Christmas time, or even a little bit before or after. But those months between November and March, is even October and March is kind of the best time, end of fall to the beginning of spring, to begin that project, so that it's actually up and running when the summertime hits. Now, you might ask, hey, why is that the case? Well, if a system is connected to the power grid, which most of these systems are, we want to be able to hit the ground running when the system is producing the most, so that you can actually build up some energy credits, selling that power back to the utility. If you start the system when you're producing a surplus, you'll have extra credits to carry you through those winter months when the system produces a little less. If you decide to sign up in the summertime, your system will get installed in the late fall or winter in most cases, and then you're actually going to have a lower production during those winter months, and not have had the credits from the summertime to offset that winter usage. So that'll recalculate the following year. You'll have the credits, but to have the best experience for most people, actually getting the project started again between October and the beginning of spring, late fall, beginning of spring, that's going to be an ideal timing for you. So I hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful. There's a lot more that goes into it, and it'll be specific to your area. Reach out to me with questions. We can talk about where you're located, your utility. Are you including a battery or not? All these things will play a role in project timing. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.